Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while virtually inaugurating India Energy Week 2025 today in Dwarka, announced that India has risen to the fifth largest economy in the past decade. He highlighted the country's progress in solar energy with a 32-fold increase in capacity, making it the third largest solar power producer globally. Modi also praised India's tripling of non-fossil fuel energy capacity and its achievement of the Paris Agreement goals. He emphasized the rapid growth of India's biofuel industry and the success of ethanol blending, which is set to reach 20% by 2025. Under the Make in India initiative, India is strengthening local manufacturing to achieve major milestones in the next 5 years.
हमारे पास रिसोर्सेज हैं जिनको हम हार्नेस कर रहे हैं। दूसरा, हम अपने ब्रिलियंट माइंड्स को इनोवेट करने के लिए प्रोत्साहित कर रहे हैं। तीसरा, हमारे पास इकोनॉमिक स्ट्रेंथ है, पॉलिटिकल स्टेबिलिटी है।